Welcome back. In this video I will tell you how to add applications to the blacklist and why this feature can be helpful for you. Let's start. Go to the Running Applications tab. Here you see all the applications that are currently running on your computer. You can apply any SMBAct actions to all of them. But sometimes there are situations, especially often in Linux and Microsoft Windows, when we need to block some applications so that they don't appear in the Windows feature and they are not affected by the SMBAct actions. That's what the blacklist is for. To add an application to the blacklist, click the context menu button to the right of the application. And then click Add the blacklist. Now it's blacklisted. To remove from the blacklist, click on the Erase button. Okay? Let's add, for example, Acrobat Reader in blacklist. So, there is no PDF in switcher window anymore. And moreover, you can't apply any actions to it. No. So, that's it for this video. This video is pretty short. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.